I'll show you how to fix the two video call, allow WhatsApp access to your microphone and camera error. First open WhatsApp and try video call someone. It show this error, so this is solution. First, go to the settings on your phone. Tap on apps or app manager, that depending on your device. Find and select WhatsApp from the list of apps. Tap permissions. Make sure both the microphone and camera permissions are turned on. You can also turn on all permissions for WhatsApp to avoid other permission-related issues. Now, open WhatsApp and try making a video call again. And that's it. The error should be resolved, and your video call should work smoothly. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.